Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread moist and fluffy. First, let's talk about the foundation for moistness. Always choose very ripe bananas, those with plenty of brown spots, as they provide natural sweetness and essential moisture. Brown sugar is also key, contributing a rich flavor and helping to keep your bread wonderfully soft. For an even more tender crumb, consider adding about 1/4 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt. A combination of melted butter and vegetable oil also ensures a perfectly moist result. Next, achieving that desirable fluffy texture is all about your mixing technique. Begin by creaming softened butter and sugar together for several minutes until the mixture becomes light and airy. This step incorporates crucial air. Then, beat in your eggs one by one, ensuring they are fully blended. When adding the dry ingredients, mix them gently with a spatula until just combined. Overmixing is the enemy of fluffiness, as it develops too much gluten, resulting in a dense, rather than light, loaf. Now, let's ensure your banana bread bakes to perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your loaf pan, typically an 8x4 or 9x5 inch size, by greasing and lightly flouring it. Bake the bread for about 55 to 65 minutes. Baking times can vary, so start checking around 50 minutes. To confirm it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean, indicating a perfectly baked, moist, and fluffy loaf. Finally, proper cooling and storage are vital for maintaining moistness. After baking, let your banana bread cool completely on a wire rack for at least 1 to 2 hours. Wrapping a warm loaf traps steam, leading to sogginess. Once fully cooled, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap or aluminum foil. You can store it at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 4 days. For extended freshness, refrigerate it for up to 1 week, or freeze it for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.